are live on YouTube. Unsolicited Kick Pics versus Kick in the Box. Trying to do angle. You're in outfield today. This will be the close-up though. What's up, man? You said it's cold. You better warm yourself up.
That's what I need to do. I need to run.
Where you playing?
In the next hour.
Oh, okay.
That's what I'm saying. If I warm up right now, I'm gonna have to warm up again.
Shoot, I should mic you up. You can do the commentary.
No.
What you mean, no? Why ain't nobody want to do color commentary with me? I'm gonna do Sue.
I think color could be fun.
That's what I'm saying.
Know the game for sure.
That's what I'm saying.
I need some practice rounds.
What you mean? This is the practice. It's a live round. There you go.
What's up? Damn it. Your red looking a little too up. I guess that's how we're playing it. Did you want to throw?
So you don't even have to move. You could just be like, that wasn't a good kick, y'all. You got to kick that. Oh, Lord, here we go. All right, then. Let's put you on. Two minutes till start. Oh, we're kicking first. We are kicking first, ladies and gentlemen.
Yeah, I'm kicking.
Well, if I can give you a pretty easy task.
Oh, okay. It's probably not far from me because you off of 17th grade. And it's probably not far from me. I'm saying, I just sent it to you. Yeah, it's Keswick Park. Keswick. It's probably not far from me from where you at. Probably about 15, if no more than 20. From where you were, because you were in Midtown. How far is it? Oh, I thought you was checking to see. I can look at your location and tell you how far it is. It looks like 20 minutes. Because I can look at your location. Yeah. I'm at the park, yeah. You know, I get to the park an hour before so I can get my own name. Yeah, sometimes it does do that with the reception, so you need to make sure that your Wi-Fi is good for if you got connected to the network. Yeah, it's probably 22, because that's what it's showing. It might be
He is safe at first. Let's go, Chris. All right, I got a super simple task for you.
No, not today. I brought yellow.
What's up? Talk to me.
So all you have to do is for big kickers hit 1, for little kickers hit 2. 2 zoom, 1 is out.
Okay.
Yep, you can hit 2 for me. Let me hit 1 for me, my bad. I'm coming. Hey, how are you? All right. Oh, and he fell. Beautiful pitch, though.
If you need a sub, we can sub. They had a whole game to work on this technique.
Get out of here.
And you need to film yourself playing more often.
That was beautiful.
Good work. Good work, guys.
Nice.
Good work, Chris.
Oh.
Did you get it? Perfect.
Great job, guys. Was it yesterday? So that was yesterday.
That was Tuesday.
No, not me. A girl played in a boot on the field.
And she had a pinch runner, yeah.
Where?
No,
It was
she was
Tuesdays.
Kenny's
Yeah.
calling you.
It was Tuesdays.
Kenny's
What
calling
team?
you.
Yes, sir.
Oh, I couldn't tell you. I don't know. What team you going to? Rhonda.
That was a Rhonda's team? Rhonda?
Now you know I'm over here drinking.
Are you taking me to do it foot, or was that?
No.
No, even for a plant, right?
Probably not.
Even if it's your plant foot, like, you're just gonna, like, slide, right? Was she good?
Oh, no. Isn't that the guy who dislocated his shoulder?
Hold.
There you go.
Oh no! The sleeve fell down.
You good?
My wife's gonna be so pissed at me.
You cut yourself? Cut it again?
Oh, no. So, I was just talking about how this thing was great for like not scraping my leg when I slide, and it came all the way down. Is that just from right now? Yeah. Oh my god. Next shower's gonna be tough. Nice hands. Good job, guys.
All right.
No, he moved actually. It's not good. Hit him.
Demo!
There's Toby. Thanks for the assistant.
All right, well, we scored 4, hit a grand slam. Scores 4-0. Bottom of the first. All right. Give me 2. How's the ball so slippery? God, no. Nope. Hey, one more. One more. All right, we're good. Ready to let you get your legs warm. You're good. Of course, the day I didn't bring my chalk. Pleasure. All right.
Don't break. Don't break.
Touch one. Good work, guys. Good work.
Who's that? Hello?
Okay, who's last out? Brian? Okay. Good job, Bruce.
Good work, guys. Good work. Good work. Hey, good work.
Yeah.
Good work. Good work.
But,
I think it's good either way.
I'll start you at one, and then I'll let you be the director from there.
Who's kicking?
LL, so you go back to 2.
what did you already do? Hurt yourself?
Oh.
Oh!
Is he? Yeah.
It's because I went face first.
Yeah.
Because I had to get around the. I was just talking about how great this works when I'm cutting on my legs. But that's when I slide.
Yep. But we learn.
I mean, that's what I had to do.
Yeah. Everybody, I know it's probably sounding crazy. Let me see if I can.
What?
Tuck my shirt in. Wait, it shouldn't. All right, we shouldn't be sliding anymore, guys. Audio should be good. I'm sorry about that.
Was there a show going on back there?
Oh, I'm live.
Yes!
Oh, Kelly!
Yes!
Say,
Good job, Kelly!
there you go, Kelly. Good work. Good work. Kelly's on 1 out. Top of the second. Oh!
Hey, 2 outs, guys, 2 outs.
2 outs. We could just have her step off.
I don't think you can do that.
You can.
You can't step off the back. Like, there's no lead offs or anything like that.
Yeah, so if she steps off, she's out, and then he gets to kick again. But you had to do it before. It's too late now. Yeah. Yeah. But I learned that, and I forget who did that. It's good, it's good, it's good. Good job, Chris. Got runners on second and first with 2 outs. Nunu is up to bat. I will say that ball is really slippery today, so.
That ball is really soft.
Yeah. Yeah, all the mud. Okay, let's see if Kelly can get to third. Juggling a little bit, and Kelly is out. That is 3 outs. Not a bad start, though. Not bad. Headed into the bottom of the second. This is still 4-0. 5-0 is the score. 4-0 is the score. I'm mic'd up.
Oh, you're mic'd up.
Yeah. So I was gonna mic up 2 people.
Yeah, Mike Daniel.
That's what I said. No, I have a setup for it. Good. We're pitching regular girls, right? All right. Yours. There you go, Chris. Good work. I haven't seen that clip. All right. Nope. Oh, just missed that one. Oh! Now she didn't want it. He is safe at first. 2 outs. That's 3 outs. Good work. All right. How many likes I gotta get to get man to be mic'd up on the stream?
What chat say? A lot.
Oh. All right, go. Let's go 1. Yeah. He's what? Why? Yeah. It's 100. I'll keep you out of it if you want. Just let me know. Do.
Oh, yeah.
Oh. You would honestly think the mud would help it be more grippier, because it's not like it's like wet mud.
1-1, guys, 1-1.
That ball saw the Reagan administration, man. There's
Yeah.
no grip.
Here we go. Oh, I like it a lot. It dropped.
Only reason why I didn't put more air in it, because trust me, believe me when I tell y'all,
Yeah.
right? Them patches right up front before the plate, they should have bounced every
Yep.
time. They'll
Yep.
bounce up.
I know. I trust me. We get it. Yeah.
That's the only reason why I didn't put so much air inside.
Yeah. We get it.
I mean, use the ball right there if y'all want to use that one.
That's all right. We stopped them from going 3.
Thank you. Come on, Dan. Good take, good take. Another great pitch.
You got the meta glasses on right now?
Yeah.
My fault, gang.
No, you good.
Talk.
It's okay, it's okay. Only like 80 people saw it. Not that many.
Oh, my fault, gang.
No, you good.
Oh, you could do that. You could meta to the. I thought they only had.
I have the camera out there.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. And these I just get clips for TikTok. Oh, good thought, good thought. He's trying to bunt it up one. So go here. He's got an open base. So he's thinking if I bunt it up one, they make a block. Let's score the runner from third. Gotta be smart here. All right, base is loaded.
We got this out. Here we go.
Base loaded. The third. Yeah. 3 outs. I was the third out.
I didn't do it.
Is Drew watching us? No help.
I have no idea. We can look. And it's there. This is fun camera. That's that camera. I am too. But I gotta turn it on. I can turn these off. Yeah. But he can hear you on the mic, so that worked out. Ball over. Slipped out my hands. There we go. Oh, off the pole. 1 ball, 2 strikes. One ball, 3 strikes. Right here, I'm just trying to give him something to chase. Split finger, probably. Rush it? Okay, yeah. I'm going to go that way. And Callie, you got us at the middle. If it comes out the middle, it's going to be you. Ah! Stupid slippery ball. No, it's 2-2. 2-2. Touch it, foul. Thank you. All right. Good guy. Oh, he's won. Oh, good stop, good stop. Hit it again. We weren't close. No, you're good. Oh! God, no. Yeah! Good work. We like to see. Good job, guys. Good job. Hey, good stop out there. Good stop. I know that was challenging. Go ahead, Elle. You got it. You got it.
Yes.
Thank you, man.
Brian, hello.
Yeah, thank you, man.
Almost struck out the side.
Yeah.
Yeah, crazy. Good job.
Oh, God.
It's you.
The leg? Yeah. I would say, yeah, we gotta get you some peroxide. This got dirt.
What?
It's not gonna be scabby yet. We're gonna have to get him some peroxide. It's gonna get infected. Come on, Al! Who's next? Who's next?
Kelly. She's over here staring at my open wounds.
Not you getting an assistant. You supposed to be my assistant. How you got an assistant?
Sophisticated.
Right? So this is an odd spot. It's back there.
Where?
Oh.
See it on the benches?
Oh, it's on the bench.
Yeah.
Oh, I see
I thought you were recording with your glasses.
Yeah, so I record TikToks with these.
Okay.
It's like short form content, and I do the stream with that. Because my glasses will overheat.
Yeah.
And that shit would hurt. Personally, because it's on my body.
all the way around the pitcher's mouth. I don't know why I had so much.
You got this. Come on, Kels.
Past second base, caught a ball, and then ended the inning. I was like, I'm done now. Thank you. Okay, can I go to my alcohol now? Good eye.
Here you go, Kelsey!
No.
Oh.
Hey, we're trying to get her to get me safe, you know? Okay.
The bottom of the order is that tank.
Got it. Appreciate you. Oh, boy. I mean, this thing, you felt it?
Yeah.
It's like freaking horrible. Yeah. But no, he did that on purpose because it's like, this is horrible. Like, it'd bounce really high if it was pumped up. So I appreciate that part. It's slippery. You good? You need to touch it? You need to touch it? You need to touch it? Yeah. All right. All right, we good? Look. Ah, it's in. Got it there. Good word. I'm not even gonna hold you. I'm gonna try to throw it. I couldn't get it out. Ah! Okay, you don't call him off. That's your job. Hey, that ball. You gotta keep your hands warm. Warm. Yeah, that helps you grip it.
I don't know why you're cussing at me like that. Sheesh. I probably would like them in the pretzel. I'm not a fan of the baked cracker. Yeah. I like the pretzel.
That was a good play at one, man.
Thank you, man. Top 5. What's up?
I actually like
Mhm.
him. I wish you got the picture. I don't like him.
Let me see it.
All right.
They don't watch this.
They do, yeah. Oh, yeah. But they won't know that part. But we do got to work on that because I definitely did tell somebody about the other team on Wednesday. And I was just like, oh, well, and I was going to give them the stream. I will not do that now. Save that one for later. Bulletin board material. Remember what he said?
I forgot he has recording glasses.
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
I said,
Go, Chris!
all right, Chris.
Chris is on with no outs.
Nice.
This is why we're going to start miking up man from now on. So we're going to get.
Can you edit that out?
I could. Yeah.
Oh yeah, we live.
That's why I'm gonna stand over here, y'all. I understand. Yeah. Until we gotta all go through media training.
Yeah, you need to bring a PowerPoint presentation.
Okay. So when you see this button on, don't say nothing.
He ever talks
Yeah.
like
But left. And Chris is safe at second. Dudu safe at first. I'm coming.
Woo!
Man is now your director. It's YouTube. Thank you very much. But yeah. Oh shit! Why would he kick that?
We were posting vines.
It pulled out. I'm so pissed.
Now I'm posting vines.
Hey, what was that, Joey? Where was I? You weren't pitching. Okay. I still got your hat. I'm good.
You thinking right?
One out. Don't tell her I didn't look at the first pitch.
Oh, I love it.
All right.
Here I'm just trying to put it in play. Let Chris do all the work. Ah, snap. That's on me.
Guys, 1-1.
Try to overkick it. Great pitch, pitcher though. Got 2 to play with.
One, two. 2-2.
Probably be his best pitch right here. I'm live. Yeah. Dang. Just got too much toe box on that one. There it is. That's what I tried to do. Put it right to somebody. Dang. How are we looking with the lights? Is it good? Still clear?
It's pretty lit. I'm about to start warming up though.
Okay, no, you do your thing. Yeah. Oh, I'm gonna put it. Thank you. My fault, guys. I left Chris stranded on 3. Say I left you stranded on 3. Dang.
We only have 11, Kenny. What the hell?
We snuck somebody on. Yeah.
Turbo, we need it. Good.
Dang it. Slipped. Happens. Happens, it happens, it happens. Alright, now 2 in the count. 2-0 in the count. 2 balls. So I'm just gonna try to get in there. Up!
There you go, Eddie. Got it.
Just like that, 2 outs. Nope. Man. I gotta keep my hands warm. Oh, word.
Hey, guys. Guys, get it.
Let's go. Come on. Let's go. Let's put something up on the board. Make our lives easier. Good work.
All right. Yes.
Kendall, I made up for it.
11-5. 10-5.
Yeah, 11.
Do I count?
Should not say.
It's 11-5 by 2. Right? How many fives am I giving out? If I'm a party, it would be 10 then, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, 10 fives.
Yep.
What? What is counting?
How many fives am I giving out? Like 10 of them?
11.
Yeah. Oh.
Yes, let's go,
Demo
Demo.
is out at first, and we're at the top of the.
Boy fell off the bag. Oh, his foot was still on it?
Yeah. The top of the 6. Bunt down third. Is it fair? Is it foul? Let's see. Oh, it rolled fair. And he's gonna. He gets back to first just in time. Yeah. Yeah. Two outs. With LL up to bat. Great kick by LL, and it was caught though. We're gonna have to lobby for a lighter color kickball because it is hard to see the ball, but it is red. Appreciate you. We're at the bottom of the 6th. We have to get 3 outs to win the game. Score is 4-0.
Tell her, Nuno.
Top there. Hey, same before. Chris, same before. Oh, never mind. Strike one. There's that first. First. Ah! 2! Out of second. Just here. That's fine. No, it's okay. I gotta, yeah, that one's just tough. Because I should have covered first, but she wasn't. Oh, he's kicking. Up! Here! Hey. This is it. Two! Here! No, don't chase. Don't chase. Here. Yeah, don't chase on that. We just need it out. It's 2. Touch it foul. We gotta start touching it early, guys. We don't need to let it roll. Roll back fair like other guy did. One strike. Okay. Strikes. strikes. Best pitch right here. I'll do it. Ball game. All right, final score 4-2. We end on the strikeout. Good job.
Good job.
Good game. 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 Good pitching. Good game.
Are you sure? I don't believe it.
Yes.
Alrighty. I want y'all to see man real quick so you can see this promise he about to make me. All right, man. So this man, he said he gonna do commentary with me. He said, y'all give me about 20 likes. He said do commentary with me.